Remember, if it's your favorite farmer, man, you know, the Crocus Bag Farmer. Remember to subscribe, like, and share. Stepping in on the farm again, family. You know, say, right now we are trying to set up a local farmer's market right here, you know. And it work out well. As you see, we're trying our hand at everything. Sugar cane. And right now, I'm going to go down here to the kale garden. Right? Straight sugar cane. We use this and line the fence to kind of keep intruders out. Sugar cane. From sugar cane you get sugar, of course, that's obvious. And you get all kind of liquor. Rum. You know, especially white rum from Jamaica. And that's how they do it. They get the sugar cane, they burn the sugar cane, and then what they do now, they turn the sugar cane into sugar, molasses, and all kind of different products, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have some more white sugar cane. But we're gonna go to the kale garden, but I cannot leave out my favorite plants, banana. So I'm gonna take a second, look at these bananas right here, okay? Remember, if it's your favorite farmer, man, you know, the Crocus Bag Farmer. Remember to subscribe, like, and share.